I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name in just a few steps. So if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like this video. So the process is very simple. All you need to do is click at your profile picture right here at the top right of the screen, and then you need to go to view your channel and customize your channel. So this will bring you to the customization page where you will need to scroll down and you will see the name right here. So in my case, it's Tech Academy, but you can change it however you want, and take in count that you can only change your name twice in 14 days. So right here, you can change it to whatever you want, and then you can also change the handle right here. This will also change the URL that will bring you to the channel, and then you just need to publish the changes, and that's it. That's how you can change the name and the handle of your YouTube channel. This will change the name of your YouTube channel right here. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.